Ever wondered how millions of Coca-Cola bottles are made every day? Stay with me to see how water, syrup, and carbonation become the drink millions know. It starts with careful treated water, filtered before production even begins. Multiple filtration stages remove unwanted particles and keep the process controlled. Next, measured ingredients enter massive stainless steel mixing systems.
The syrup is blended under tightly controlled conditions for consistent flavor.
Before it reaches the bottles, the syrup is checked for consistency. Now the treated water and prepared syrup come together in precise proportions. At this stage, the familiar dark caramel-colored beverage finally takes shape.
Then carbonation gives the drink the bubbles that make every sip feel different.
Meanwhile, the bottles themselves are formed automatically from tiny plastic preforms. Every bottle is inspected before it is allowed onto the filling line. Before filling, every bottle is rinsed inside the automated line. Then the bottles are filled at incredible speed, each one receiving a controlled amount. Seconds later, every filled bottle is sealed with a precisely fitted cap. Now the bottles receive the familiar red branding that makes them instantly recognizable. Automated cameras check every bottle for correct placement and appearance. Fill levels, bottle condition, and product consistency are checked before packaging. Finally, the bottles are grouped into cases, ready for distribution. From raw ingredients to millions of bottles, the finished drink is now ready to leave the factory. Once packaged, the finished cases move into a massive distribution warehouse. Before storage, each pallet passes through automated tracking and inspection. Automated vehicles move the finished drinks into organized storage zones. Some pallets are stored several levels above the warehouse floor. When an order arrives, the warehouse system sends pallets toward shipping. High-speed conveyors then sort the cases by their destination. At the loading dock, the selected pallets are prepared for delivery. Forklifts load the cases into delivery trucks with remarkable speed.
Before departure, the cargo receives one final shipping check.
Then the journey begins, from factory floor to local distribution. Workers carefully arrange the bottles so they're ready for shoppers. Old bottles wait behind the glass, just hours after leaving the factory. After an enormous industrial journey, one bottle finally reaches a customer. All that technology ends with something surprisingly simple. One cold bottle. After seeing the process, is Coca-Cola worth the hype? Tell me below. Like and subscribe to Daily Factory for more.
Workers carefully arrange the bottles so they're ready for shoppers.
Old bottles wait behind the glass, just hours after leaving the factory. After an enormous industrial journey, one bottle finally reaches a customer. All that technology ends with something surprisingly simple. One cold bottle.
After seeing the process, is Coca-Cola worth the hype? Tell me below. Like and subscribe to Daily Factory for more.
From the factory, Coca-Cola finally reaches everyday shoppers. But supermarkets are only one destination. Restaurants need huge volumes too. Inside restaurants, thousands of bottles wait for the next order.
And just like that, the factory becomes part of someone's meal.
The final transformation happens when the bottle is finally opened. Those tiny bubbles are the result of controlled carbonation inside the factory. That single bottle traveled through an enormous industrial chain. Water, syrup, bottles, carbonation, and packaging, all synchronized in seconds. The incredible part is the scale. Thousands of bottles moving at once. Machines provide the speed, but skilled people keep the system under control.
Once approved, the bottles are rapidly transformed into shipping-ready cases. Every stage is checked because consistency is the entire game.
From one factory, an entire distribution network sends the drink across markets. Supermarkets, convenience stores, and restaurants all become part of the chain. And all of that industrial complexity ends with one simple bottle.
Behind this bottle is a factory engineered for extraordinary scale.
One bottle looks simple. Making millions is anything but simple.
After seeing how it's made, would you still choose Coca-Cola over Pepsi?
What's your choice, Coke or Pepsi? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe to Daily Factory.